Here's a quick look at the vintage Coach Janice's Legacy bag, style number 9950 in the color black. And this bag was made in China in 2006. So one really nice feature about this bag is it still has the original price tag attached. So as you can see, it was nicely preserved over the years, and the tag has the style number 9950 BLK for black and Janice's Legacy here. So it's got that information on the tag as well. And it also comes with this little booklet that has some information about Coach as a brand that would have come with the bag back then. So that's a little overview of the bag. Now I'll show you more of the bag itself. So here's the front, obviously. Here's a side view, and as you can see, the strap is adjustable here along these buckles on the strap. Here's the back of the bag. The front and back are pretty much identical. And then here's the bottom of the bag, and as you can see, it's got a split seam here along the middle center of the bag. And then here's a top view, and it does come with a zip closure. And now that we've removed the packing paper, here's kind of an inside look at the inside of the bag, and it does have a little slip pocket here on the inside. It's kind of hard to see on video camera, but here it is. The Cristina stamped back here. Since it's really hard to show well on video, I'll insert a photo of the Cristina as well so you can see a close-up of that. So anyway, that is the vintage Coach Janice's Legacy bag. It's a really nice classic looking bag, and it is available now in our online store, shop.cristinamoda.com. So I will leave a link below in case you wanted to look at this bag further. But otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.